Welcome to Advanced Word 2007. This is lesson number 8. We're going to create a table of contents for a book, an assignment, a large report, anything that you need to have the type of thing at the start for. To make this work, you need to have placed preset headings within your document. So here I've got a major heading at the start of the document. It's a heading 1 heading, and this line here, some subheading, it's been allocated as a heading 2, and the text itself is just plain text. Now we place the insertion point above the start of the document. That's where normally the table of contents would go, and we come up here to the references tab on the ribbon, and we go for the table of contents. There's a couple of preset table of contents here. I'm going to go down to the bottom to the insert table of contents option, which gives you more control of how your table of contents will appear. And there are different formats. At the moment this is the one called formal, and if I click on one called classic it would look like this, and from template looks like that. I'm going to go with the one called formal. It has this bold major heading and a smaller subheading and dots joining the chapters and sections to the page numbers. In the bottom right hand corner I hit the OK button and count to 10. And if we get to 10, there's the table of contents using those preset headings and the page numbers. A great part of this is if I wanted to have a look at the stockade, hold the control key on your keyboard, and as your mouse hovers on a section or a chapter it becomes a hand. Tapping it gently once takes you to that part of the document. Control home on your keyboard would return you to the top. I'm going to enter a couple of times and up arrow a couple of times so that I'm above that part of the document, and if I put on a heading 1 now and try to type in table of contents, now if I right click on the existing table of contents and choose to update a field, I can update the page numbers only, or I can update the entire table. I'm going to choose that because I've changed everything so much, and click OK, and there's now a table of contents listing the table of contents, and everything's moved down a few lines, so some page numbers have changed as well. Time to save the work.